Hello, hello, everybody. Look at that. Already 6 people coming to join me. Good afternoon, everybody. How's everybody doing today? Let's just wait for a few more people to join and we can get this started. Seeing as I kind of woke up today with like over at least 50 messages, I figured if I went live, this would help everybody out way better. And so that's what we're going to do. So we'll just wait for a few more people to join, and that way we can get all the answers and questions out. Hey, Jessica, right after this live, I'll check your transcripts and see what they say. So anybody that's here now, if you have not subscribed to me, please make sure you subscribe, like the video, click that little bell so you can get notified when I do lives. Now that tax season's about to be here, I will be doing a lot more lives and a lot more videos in general about taxes and everything like that. So that way everybody can stay updated. So make sure you do that. Help me out. Good morning, Yvette. How are you? And Rita. Good morning, ladies. So I'm just trying to wait to see if a few more people join. I know it's really, it's kind of difficult to get the video when it's live. I don't know what the issue is. So maybe if I just post my channel, let me see if I click on that. Let's see. That's sending me there. I have no idea. Yeah, it's not, you know what? Let me see if, can you guys share the link in the groups for me? Can you do that? Let me see if there's a way that I can share, because I think that's the problem. I think maybe if I just go to my page, I don't know. YouTube is always giving me some type of issue. Let's see here. I think if I do it this way, I will be able to do it. Let's see. Let's see. All right. I'm sorry, guys, to keep you guys waiting. Well, at least a lot more people are joining now, so that's awesome. So it must be working a little bit. So if you guys did anything, I really appreciate it. Awesome. There it is right there, Jamie. I just took your thing and did it. I don't know what I did. I did something wrong. Who knows? Whatever. But at least they're coming now, so that's awesome. I appreciate that. I know this is so confusing. One of the videos that I just did, I did say that Republic told us that if they get the checks, they will deposit them. Unfortunately, when I woke up this morning, I got an email from all of the banks, not just Republic, stating that they cannot post them. So I don't know what the issue with the bank or the IRS or whatever the case may be. There had to have been an issue with somebody. And for some reason or another, they cannot do an update. They cannot send out people's refunds. So let's see. Oh, you're welcome, Lucas. You are so welcome. Okay, so let me explain this first of all. So most people's stimuluses did not go through Republic or Santa Barbara or Refund Advantage, any of the banks. So it's not just Republic, it's all the banks actually. None of them are going to mail checks or submit direct deposits. But the good news is most people's stuff didn't even go through that last time. So what's going to happen this time is they just text you and said what? What did they say? Hi, Miss Staples. What exactly did they say to you? Miss Williams? Yes. So if it did say Republic, then that means Republic did deposit it. Now um, the thing is, if you updated your information on that IRS website, that is where your money's going to go. It's not going to go through Republic. So that's one thing. The second thing is it's not like Republic, Santa Barbara, Refund Advantage, any of the refund banks. It's all of them. So if any of the refund banks get the money, they're not even going to take it and then refund it. They're immediately rejecting it. So it's immediately being rejected. So the turnaround time to be able to get a check is not going to take that long. I was unable to. Oh, you're saying, Nicole, that you weren't able to update your information on that IRS website last time. I mean, it would have been great if they would have helped us last time when everybody updated their account information on that portal. Hopefully this time, when it opens back up, that it'll be immediate fixed. Like, this is what we're hoping. The IRS, as always, has not announced any type of plans. They have not announced what they're planning on doing, if they're going to help us out. They haven't really said anything to us. They're not giving us no direction at all. So it's kind of frustrating. And I know a lot of people are frustrated. I'm frustrated for you at the end of the day. So what do we do if we didn't update our address with the IRS? Miss Staples, if you didn't update your address, there's two things you can do. For one, you can call the IRS and try to get somebody on the phone and update your address. I don't know how quick. They say it takes 4 to 6 weeks. I don't believe that. And the second thing that I advise you to do is do a change of address and get your mail forwarded. I do know that last time a lot of people did get their stimuluses forwarded. Again, even though it says they're not supposed to forward them, they still were being forwarded. Yes, Miss Tina. Yes, that's where it will be. So you're saying that the Where's My Payment, the website, it's open right now? It's active, or is this the last time that you checked? Oh, okay. Okay, good, Nicole. Because if you did the post office, though, the thing is, just like last time. Oh, okay, Tina. Just want to make sure. Yeah, because I think that they said the end of the week, so that should be around Thursday because Friday's a holiday. So probably Thursday, that website should be up. So the good thing is we'll know more information. Another thing, don't freak out yet, guys. Don't freak out if you didn't get a deposit. This is only the first deposit. There's going to be quite a few more. Everybody's supposed to be out by the 15th. That way, if you're missing funds for children or dependents, you will be able to claim it on your taxes. The same thing. If you had a child in 2020, or if you didn't claim your kids last year, but you are going to claim them this year, you will get both of those stimulus checks for that dependent, both of them. As long as they're 17 and under and your income is still below that threshold, you will get the stimulus check when you file your taxes. I know that doesn't help people now and they really need the money, but at least you're going to get it. Like, that's my thing. At least you are going to get it. Yes, exactly, Lucas. But I know, just like last time, like, everybody's freaking out because they didn't get their deposit yet, or whatever the case may be is. And the thing is, they're already mailing checks out today, which will be sent out, which you should have by the earliest is Wednesday because of the holiday weekend. So, I mean, they are really moving this stimulus. So honestly, you're not going to wait that long, even if it goes to one of those refund banks and gets rejected, or if it goes to a bank account you no longer have and gets rejected. They're sending these out pretty quick. And the reason being is they have to, because if not, when you file your taxes in a couple weeks, you're going to say, oh, no, I didn't get the money, even though they are going to be sending it out. So it's going to be a mess, guys. Honestly, it's going to be a mess. I personally wish they would have waited until they at least had a system for us to immediately update our information. But what can you do? I mean, everything with the IRS never goes as planned. So we already know how that works out. Thank you, Tina. My daughter got an amendment last time. So Yvette, she will have to wait until she files her 2020 taxes. When she files her 2020 taxes, she will get the 1,200 and 600. And that goes for if you have any college children. If you have any college children and you file them or claim them on your taxes, if you claimed any adults on your taxes and you're not going to claim them in 2020, make sure that they file their taxes, because even if they only made $1, make sure they file it, because they will get that $1,200 and now the $600. They will get it. So make sure there's so much money out there that people did not claim and didn't get. Let's make sure we get everything that we're supposed to get. I mean, come on, the foreign countries are getting way more than us. So we want to claim all the money that's for us to begin with. So, okay, no. Most of my clients did not go through Republic. There was only like a handful went through Republic, got their deposits, or, were mailed checks, but it was very rare. Not a lot of my clients did. Not a lot of clients in general did. So, however you got, but when you got your first one, but Kay, you updated your information anyways. So you should be able to get a deposit. So that's the thing. Like that, this is the only thing that I'm actually excited about. The fact that people that did update their information last time on the IRS website, well, Desiree, come see me. Don't worry about Turbo. We got you over here. There's so much going on this tax season. Even if it's not with me, I highly suggest you go see a tax professional. If you have self-employment, there's a huge $15,000 refundable credit for self-employment this year. I should say up to $15,000, because it does go by your income. There's that. There's the missing stimulus money. There's being able to use your AGI for 2019 if you had majority unemployment. So there's a lot going on. If you got the PPP, if it was forgiven, if you got the grant, like there's a lot of things that you might not know to ask or say, or, I'd be kind of worried doing it myself this year. And I'm a tax professional. So I highly recommend, even if you don't come see me, you should definitely go see a tax preparer if your situation is not cutthroat. Like if you know for a fact none of these new situations are going to be dealt with you, then hey, by all means, go save money. I'm all for saving money. If you think you know what you're doing, go for it. But if not, I highly suggest you contact a professional this year. Yes, so Lucas, that's another thing. So I literally, guys, I literally posted the screenshot of the actual bill where it said they were going to take it for child support. And then everybody kept messaging me like, no, this article said they weren't. This person said they weren't. I looked and looked and looked and re-looked, and I had Lisa look and Kat looked, and we all looked. We could not find it anywhere that they said child support was not going to take it. But guess what? I guess they're not. So yay, I'm excited. I am so excited. Because honestly, I personally, especially for married people that had a spouse that owed child support, I think it was dead wrong for them not only to take the spouse that owed child support, but also to take 50% of the children's money. That was so wrong to me. I mean, I can understand the spouse because he owes, but to take from another child to give to another child, that was just wrong. That's my opinion. I just think it was wrong. So, yes, Miss Williams, when you get those W-2s, come see me. Now, let me say this because I've already seen posts, guys. I warn you guys about this every year. I've already seen posts with people advertising that they will file your taxes with a W and with the pay stub. It blows my mind, literally blows my mind that people are still advertising this. On top of the fact, anybody that's in my tax and stimulus group, we have over 21,000 people in that group. We all seen what happens when you use your last pay stub. There are still people waiting on their taxes when they filed in January with their pay stub. Why? Because they're in a wage review. I understand a lot of people don't understand how to do taxes, so it's kind of confusing when you have somebody that owns a tax office that says they're a tax professional and they tell you, oh, you can do this, 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 and this, and you think that it's okay because they're the professionals, and then you get caught up in some kind of mess you don't want to be a mess with. And it's hard. And this is the main reason that I give you guys so much advice, because I'm tired of these people taking advantage of you guys. It's horrible. And they don't care. I do so many amendments. I help so many people that are not my clients, just because when they get into a situation, they go contact that preparer that did their taxes, that charged them $1,200. They're nowhere to be found. They're not answering their phone. They moved their tax office. I mean, it's just a mess. It's absolute mess. Yes, Kay. I mean, I was gonna come see you if you didn't. Like that's where we at right now. I was coming to see you, Kay. If you did not, we gonna wait for every single one. Period. Like the stocks and everything. We're waiting. We ain't going through that this year. Yes, please get away from Jackson Hewitt. Get away from H&R Block. I guarantee I probably have more experience, more education, better customer service. And the best part is I guarantee that I charge less than they do. So Miss Wilson, using your 2019 AGI if 2020 is less. So the form is not out yet, so I can't tell you if they're going to allow people that were not on unemployment to use that option. I do believe, from what I've been reading so far, and obviously if I'm wrong, I will come back and tell you I'm wrong. What I think is going to happen is if you were in a corona-filled state, whatever you want to call it, that you will be eligible, whether you're on a W-2, whether you had unemployment, whatever your situation is. Now, the thing with that is everybody in the whole U.S. had a shutdown at one point since March. So if that's the way they're going to do it, then everybody will be eligible. If not, then it will be the majority of people that are on unemployment the whole time or the majority of the year. Paige, no, I think it'll be the exact same way that you got it last time. So honestly, guys, because I know a lot of my clients are watching right now, don't be stressed out. Even if it goes through Republic, you're going to get it soon. And most of my clients, because I've helped a lot of you out, and I know Lisa helped a few of hers out, you guys updated your information on that IRS tool. So that's where it's going to go. If you don't have it yet, just remember they only dropped a few people's, and they have to drop millions of stimuluses. So it's going to come. I promise you it's going to come. They're already showing issues with the stimuluses. I've seen countless people say they got their stimulus, but they didn't get it for any of their dependents, even though last year they got it, last stimulus, they got it for theirs. They did get it for their dependents. So the first stimulus, they got it for their dependents, and now this one, nothing. So it's just insane. So, Nicole, as far as the zero federal taken out, if you actually talk to a lot of people and you found out that they updated their W-4 with this new W-4, the whole point of this new W-4 is actually to have people have bigger paychecks and a smaller tax refund. So a lot of people, depending on how you filed the previous year, didn't have any federal taken out. If you don't want that to happen next year, you need to get with me in the beginning of the year after when we file your taxes, so I can help you update your W-4. What's going to happen is you're going to take additional money out of your check every week. So that's how we're going to have to do that, because these W-4s are not to help you get a big refund and take a lot of taxes out. You're not going to owe, but your refund is going to be way less. So that's the purpose of these new W-4s. It's to give you guys bigger paychecks, but a smaller refund. Because either way, you get the money. You either get it during the year or you get it at the end of the year. And what the new W-4s are is they're for you to have a bigger paycheck during the year. Oh, yes, Kay. I totally thank you for even bringing that up, because that's 100% true. The United States Postal Service is majorly backed up. So if you are going to get a check in the mail, it is going to take some time. Just know everybody should have their money because they said the 15th will be the last sent out, deposit, anything. So the 15th. So if you don't have your money by the 22nd, you're going to end up having to claim that on your taxes. And if you already file by the 22nd, what we would have to do is just wait till you get your refund and we would just amend and then you would get it. So that's how that's going to work out. Miss Chocolate, you ain't going to owe, honey. They do it for a reason. You're not going to owe. If they felt like you were going to owe taxes, they would take money out. So they really do have a good system going on with the W-4 as far as nobody owing and stuff like that. But no, you're not going to owe your stimulus. I mean, your refund obviously will be smaller, but you won't owe. So now, Katie, as far as you're saying, can you still get back pay on unemployment? What exactly do you mean by that? I don't understand. And guys, don't forget, while you guys are watching, make sure you like my video, you save it, you share it, you subscribe to me, you click that little bell thing so you can get notifications, because I'm actually, I don't know if I'm going to start today or tomorrow, but I am going to start a series. They're not going to be live, but they are going to be videos on taxes, on your credit. I'm going to give free advice for you guys really to better finance yourselves. Oh, okay, so the 300. So the 300 actually starts this week. So I did post in the group that the tracker on everybody's state. So you just have to watch that and see when your state is going to deposit it, start depositing it. And they will owe from this week. So like Sunday, when you file your claim, starting this Sunday, when you file your claim, they will owe you that 300. So I know like Connecticut, they said their first deposits are going to start on the 12th. That means that they are going to owe, they're going to owe me 2 weeks, like me, Connecticut. So they'll owe Connecticut people 2 weeks. New York is going to start this weekend. So New York's will have their 300 this weekend. Some already said they're not going to start till the end of the month. So they will back pay just from this week. Yes, I will post the tracker in the client group. Okay, absolutely. Tina, that's why you can't really, they're going to tell us when this can be claimed. And if honestly, I don't even know. I don't know. The IRS will obviously, maybe they'll come out with something and you have to resend the money back, but I don't think that that's going to happen, honestly. So, Katie, if you just filed, you will not get back pay. You would have had to file in July. So, because you didn't file in July, you never made claims, they will not back pay you. They will only back pay you from the time that you applied. Yes, Miss Wilson, absolutely. So what will happen is you will get for the one daughter you didn't get, and then the baby, congratulations. You will get both of the stimuluses for her or him. I don't know. You didn't say. So whatever the baby is, you will get. So, okay, the back, it's everybody. It doesn't matter which state. Excuse me, guys. I gotta sit better in my chair. So it doesn't matter what state. Okay, all the states have to start from this week because this is a federal program. So it doesn't matter when Ohio starts giving that 300. They will pay you from this week. So starting this week until whenever you get it, they will have to pay you that back pay. Lucas, it all depends what state you're in. There's some states that are 4 weeks. There's some states that there's a lot of states that haven't even, I don't even think they applied yet. So it just all depends when your state applies, honestly. So Lucinda, I guess not. It looks like they are not taking it for child support this time, which is okay, Lucas. Yeah, 2 weeks. Sorry. Yep, 2 weeks. So, Nicole, anybody that's on unemployment gets that extra 300. As long as you get more than $1 a week, everybody gets that 300. It doesn't matter if you're on regular unemployment, extended benefits, PECU, or the PUA. Every single person that gets $1 or more gets the 300. Everybody's eligible, which is awesome, right? So that helps people out as well. But I can tell you this, like, I will advise you this, and I know like the world is still crazy right now, but plan accordingly, guys. This is the last of it. This is the last of it. So you will get 11 more weeks on that unemployment, but after that, it's done. So I highly suggest people, I'm not saying you're not, but try maybe a little harder to try to find a job, because this is it. There will be no more help. I seriously doubt we will even get another stimulus. Well, we might still get the 2,000. That's still up in the air. We don't know. And honestly, I don't know if it's going to be 2,000 or if they're just going to give you 1,400. But I don't think it's going to work like that, because they said 2,000 a person, like 2,000 and then 2,000 a kid. Who knows? Like, I don't even want to think about it, because honestly, I have zero feelings that it's even going to pass. So I'm not even paying attention to that. No, exactly, Lucas. I mean, it's serious. Like, don't play around. Like, I would honestly save this unemployment, save this stimulus. You're about to get your taxes. Just be cautious with that money, because it's not coming. There's no more. And I'll tell you, for people that own small businesses, or people that have self-employment, Uber, nanny, hairdressers, whatever the case may be, they are doing another set of PPP and the EIDL loans. Now, I highly suggest, if you do not need that money, do not get it again. You're going to put yourself in a hole that you're not going to be able to get out of. I really suggest you don't do it. One other thing that changed this time. So before, the extra $300 on unemployment counted towards food stamps. So everybody was getting cut off of food stamps when that $600 everybody was getting. This time around, it is not being counted as income as far as for food stamps. So if you do get food stamps, they will not cut you off this time around. Absolutely, everybody, yes, absolutely. I totally agree. Yes, exactly. It's right from the IRS. So it didn't even come from Republic. It's coming right from the IRS. So you will have no issues, Shayla. Chocolate, I totally feel you on that. You are 100% correct. Absolutely. Will my 17-year-old get his own stimulus? Unfortunately, Elizabeth, no, he will not. He does not qualify. It's only 16 and under get the stimulus. Unless you don't claim him and he files his own taxes. But if you claim him to get EIC, then no, he will not get it. He doesn't qualify. I know that stinks. Like, I know a lot of people was hoping that that's not what would have happened this time, and they would have helped out mainly the college kids, because that's who's the ones really suffering. Because anybody that's 18, 19 to 24, those 19 to 24-year-olds, those are the ones really suffering because they're away in college. Most likely the parents are claiming them and they're just out of luck because they get nothing. So I really think that was messed up that they did that. I mean, there's so many things that we can probably sit here for days and say what was messed up about this whole situation. So my thing is, I just want everybody to not freak out. Like, this is the main reason I'm doing the live. Don't freak yourself out, guys. Don't freak yourself out. And another thing, because I already seen it coming, and I already seen people posting, and I already seen in them sloppy, messy other tax groups. We don't allow that stuff over here in the adult group. People already talking about they're going to say they did not get a stimulus so they can get a stimulus on their refund. Do not do that. You hear me? Don't do it. I'm telling you now. Let me tell you. So if you know from last year, last time, or if you are my client, I've said it, the stimulus amounts are already on your transcripts. So the IRS already knows how much money you got for your stimulus. So if you try to play them or think you're trying to play them by saying you did not get a stimulus, you're going to be in for a rude awakening. Just like what happened with the Obama one, you're going to be waiting for months for your taxes because they're going to know that you're trying to scam them. Don't do it. I'm telling you now. Tell a friend. Don't do it because they're going to be stuck in a wage review and they're going to be mad and you're going to have your money and they're just going to be mad. It is what it is. I mean, you can't get jail for it, but you ain't getting your money no time soon. And I know a lot of people during this situation right now, they need their money. So, yeah. Thank you, Chocolate. Yeah, I can't, I'm in some other tax groups and I can literally only look through the group for 5 minutes. And then I'm so disgusted, so mad that, I be wanting to just grab people through the phones. Like if you ever just want to touch somebody through the phone, that's how I feel in those tax groups because they're just so rude. They're disrespectful. The information that they're giving is so completely wrong. And then the fraud is just, crazy. So, Kay, they don't know that. It's still going by 2019 taxes. So he will still get it. Or she, I'm sorry. Yeah, he will get this one. He will get it because they're going by the 2019 taxes. So by that tax return, he's still 16. One other thing, guys, is they are not using 2018 this time. So if you did not file 2019 taxes, you will not get a stimulus until you file 2020 taxes. They are not going by 2018 this time because you've had the tax season's over. So if you were going to file, you should have filed already. So they're not going by 2018 any longer. Exactly, Chocolate. These people is crazy. I can't believe just how blatant they are with the fraud. Just blatant out there. Even with these the business grants, there's videos. I was just shocked. I can't even believe it. People, they have no F's to give. They could care less. Nope, they don't care. Okay, Tina, thank you. You have a great day and a great new year. If my niece was claimed last year and she's 21, can she claim herself this year and get the stimulus on her own taxes? Lucinda, absolutely. She absolutely can. She can file her own this year. As long as nobody claims her, she will get the $1,200 plus the $600 immediately on her taxes. She will get both. Just make sure you go to somebody that knows what they're doing and knows how to give it. Lucas, I don't know about financially. I know that for Connecticut, there is the rent program that they are paying like landlords $4,000. So it's not active right now, but it will be shortly, soon. So I would definitely keep watch out for that. You're welcome, Chocolate. I hope I helped, a few people at least. And don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it if you like the information, and check the little bell so you can get all the videos I'm going to be posting shortly that will have tax tips and self-employment tips and all types of good information that you'll want to know. Oh, thank you. I love new clients. Like, yay, come see me. I make it so easy. I think you guys are going to love the fact how easy it is. You're going to be like, what? I don't have to sit and wait for 3 hours? Yeah, you're going to love it. All right, guys. Well, I hope everybody has a great day and a happy new year. If I get any more information, if anything changes, I will update you guys. I promise. So as of right now, just keep checking. Just keep checking. As soon as the IRS website goes live, we will post it in all of the groups. I'll post it on my page. I'll post it everywhere so you guys know that it's live, so you can start checking that or hopefully update your information. We don't know yet. And absolutely, absolutely, guys. All right. Well, you guys have a great day, and we will definitely talk soon. Okay. Bye.